Oh, Rachel's getting the tampons. Okay. Where are you going, Rachel? What's that, Rachel? She still remembers. What are you doing, Rachel? Oh, fell down. What is that, Rachel? Oh, what did you do? Is that chop? What is that, Rachel? Oh, how nice. What did you just do, Rachel? What is that?
I know one.
That's the only one we have. What are those? Are those Shabbat candles?
Yeah.